Good day guys. So in this video we are going to talk about algebraic expressions. So what is algebraic expressions? It is a mathematical phrase that uses coefficients, unknown variables, algebraic operations, and constants. However, an expression cannot have an equal sign. So let's say that the sum of 3 and 7. Now, how do we write it in a mathematical way? The word sum means addition, and we can write this as 3 plus 7. The sum of 3 and 7 is a expression, and as the 3 plus 7 has only numbers, it's called numerical expression. Let's remember, if it's constants with numbers, it is numerical expression. Now, how do you write sum of a number and 7? As we don't know what this number is, we can use a variable in its place. We can write it as x plus 7, where this x can take any numerical value, as this expression also has a variable in it. It's called an algebraic expression. Remember, if it is consist with variables, it's called algebraic expression. Here is another statement we need to write it as a mathematical way. The sum of a number and 7 equals 12. This can be written as x plus 7 equals 12. A number plus 7 equals 12. This is called an equation. It has an expression on each side of the equal to sign. Apart from expressions and equations, the most important concept in this topic is that of terms. For example, look at the number 4. It is just one term. What about 4 plus x? How many terms do we have in this expression? Yes, it has two terms, 4 and x. What about the expression 4 over x? This is just one term. One term when divided by another give us only one term, not two. Only plus and minus separate the terms. Multiplication and division do not. So here's the fourth example. 4 plus x minus y. As we have plus and minus, we can say that this expression has three terms. And what about 4x? As 4 and x are multiplied, this is just one term. So that is it guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.